Hey, what's going on? Strat Soldier here with another training video for you, and we're going to talk about how to look at the charts, look at your watch list, and put it all together for your trading during the day. Let's get into it. All right, this is a method for going through your watch list and trading during the day. I'm not specifically talking to day traders, but day traders can use this as well. You should be looking at 4 charts of all 4 major time frames: the month, the week, the daily, and the 60-minute, especially if you're a swing trader. But if you're a day trader, you should be looking at that weekly and monthly as well. You need to know what the institutions are doing. The method for breaking this down so you don't have information overload during the day is we are going to go through our watch list on the month, then we're going to break it down to the week, and then the daily. Right? We're always going to start with the broader averages. I want to see what's happening in SPY first, or Dow Jones, or QQQ. What's the overall market doing? Are they buying, or are they selling? Or is it inside doing nothing? All right? When markets are inside day, for example, SPY, when it's inside day, it means do nothing. All right. If you already have winning positions on, just manage them. All right. Just manage them. What it means, but it also means don't take any new trades. Just wait. Now, in the morning, it could be inside day, and then in the afternoon, bam, 2 up. Like now their actionable signal on the daily is enforced. Now you can work that thing. Or it's 2 up on the day. Now let's look for some actionable signals on the 60s to get in on that 2 up on the day. You can do that. All right. What we're not going to do is trade while that inside day is moving up and down and consolidating and being messy. We're not going to do that. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. All right, so if you're going to start your day, this is going to be pre-market. You're going to do this in the pre-market, but when your day starts, you know what to do. And that very first 15 minutes of the day, you're going to do nothing. All right, you are not going to start hitting buttons at the bell. Do not do that. You're going to wait for the smoke to clear. Remember the episode from Charts where he talked about waiting 30 minutes. He waits a whole 30 minutes. He trades options, all right? And he does win a lot. So he wants to wait for 30 minutes before he does anything, all right? Spoiler alert, well, plot twist for you guys. I did a video where I had 2-2 reversal marked on the 60s, going to the highs, and it was working. And then I realized halfway through the video my microphone wasn't on. Oh man, I need a roadie. I need a producer just to sit back and watch me do this stuff, to check on the things and stuff and things. So this 60-minute was 2-2 reversal up. All right, that let me know that hey, there's buyers on the 60s. They're buying right now. All right, now that it's 2 up on the 2-2 continuation up on the 60-minute chart. All right, this reversal is gone. It's done. It is done. All right, we're on the next live time frame now, which is this 60-minute bar, and they're still buying. So you could say still good. All right, but looking at all 4 time frames, what am I seeing on the month? Red on the month, green on the week. That's good. All right. There's supposed to be some kind of dang Santa rally, but honestly, they took him down and it's going back to the middle. All right, ain't no daggone Santa rally, and if it does, it's got to get above 608 before I'm gonna go. Yeah, it was a rally. It was great. Right now, not doing a whole bunch. All right, it is 2 up on the day. Again, when I started this, the previous video, it was inside day, and I said we're doing nothing. Okay, now it's 2 up on the day. All right, this is 2-2 continuation up on the 60s. We necessarily don't want to just jump in on 2-2 continuations on the 60s, right? But this is in force. Look at my clock right here. This is green and kind of hard to see. Trend Spider says there's no way to change the color on this right now. But I have 46 minutes left. If you know, I'm going to keep my cursor there for a second so you can kind of look at that. I got 46 minutes left on this live candle right now. For 46 minutes, 45 minutes now, they're buying. All right. I want to know that. How can I get in on that? It's not full time frame continuity. No, it's not. But the majority of the charts are green. I got green on the week, green on the day, green on the 60s. How can I get in on this? You could drop down to a 30-minute. Any actionable signals? No, but it's still good. Drop down to the 15-minute. 3, 2 up. Bam. You can take that. All right? You can take that. You can say, all right, it's already enforced pretty high. I don't want to mess with it. That's fine. Drop down to the 5-minute. Any actionable signals? All right. Not right now. But if there was an inside, this right here, 2-2 reversal back up on the 5-minute. Let's blow it up. If you were trying to get in on that 2 up on the day and didn't know how to get in, you could drop down to the 5-minute and take that 3-2-2 back up.
The 3-2-2.
3-2-2 back up. Then now you're in. Now, if you're a day trader, you want to put your stop at $600.81. That's fine. Especially if you're trading options, that's a pretty tight stop. All right, that's good. If you are a swing trader because you work a 12-hour shift, whether you're a nurse, a train conductor, that's a real thing. I talk to people that do that. Whether you're working on an oil rig, whether you're an electrician, whether you're in the military, I don't care what it is. You could be a stay-at-home mom, and you got kids running around all over the house. You don't have time to be looking at it, every 5-minute chart. You don't. I know it seems easy when the market's closed, all right, but it's not. All right, not easy. But 2-2 reversal back up, that would get you in. All right, now you can see I got 3 minutes left on this bar right here. This. If I really want to get in on this, I can just wait. If this closes as an inside on the 5-minute, inside bar on the 5-minute, once it goes 2, 1, 2 continuation up, that would be my way in. Okay. You do not, as a full-time mom, a full-time employee of a thing, you don't have time to be looking at this every 5 minutes. Putting your stop on a 5-minute bar during the day is going to frustrate you more often than not. All right, looks good right now. All right, looks amazing. And these are light. This is going right now, so this looks amazing. Even if I turn the PSAR on, it looks amazing. All right, yep, I could be in. Yep, I could do that. Yeah, you could. But remember, you're working a 12-hour shift. All right, you work in retail. You're a regional manager of this area of Walmart. I don't know, anything. I'm not joking. You don't have time to be looking at this stuff. You have to do a job, and I want you to be good at that job. You can't be good at that job staring at every 5-minute bar. So if you're dropping down to the 5-minute to get in on that 3-2-2 up, hammer and force, you're using that to get in. That's the purpose. The purpose is to get in, not to necessarily trade 5-minute bars. So just because you got in on the 5-minute doesn't mean your stop needs to be on the 5-minute. I'm going to say that one more time. Just because you got in on the 5-minute doesn't mean your stop needs to be on the 5-minute. All right? A lot of people suggest that. A lot of those people are day traders. A lot of those people trade options. A lot of those people trade futures. A lot of those people do different things, and they're staring at the charts. Okay? That's not you. Okay? Again, you got to go pick up the kids in an hour, and you still have to pack up all your things, because once you pick up the kids and drop them back off, you're going to get 30 minutes in the gym, and you don't have a lot of time. All right, so you're gonna grab them, bring her back home. Here you go, Dad. Here you go, Mom. Here's the kids. I gotta go to the gym real quick because right after the gym, I'm doing something else. All right, it's busy. You don't have time to watch every 5-minute bar. You're using that to get in. Okay, enough of that. enough of that. You do want to have a stop in there, of course, all right? You do want to stop in there. But it does not have to be on the 5 minute if you're getting in on the 5 minute, all right? We all have different tolerances of risk. Just don't make them super big stops. Don't put wiggle room in and all that crap, all right? We'll talk more about that in a few minutes. That's how you get in on something that's already moving. That's the method for that, all right? What's Dow Jones doing? All right, we got some buyers in here on the days. We got some buyers here on the 60s, still inside the week. QQQ. All right, this is full time frame continuity. It's green on the month, green on the week, green on the day, and green on the 60s, all right? Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Doing good things. All right. You got 40 minutes left on this. 40 minutes of them buying until the next candle comes. Then the flip, it only happens at the bottom of the hour, which is the 60-minute chart. The flip only happens on the 60-minute chart. The flip only happens on the 60-minute chart. If you are following someone that's telling you we're on the 15-minute and every 15-minute bar that comes up is the flip, it's wrong. 100% wrong. All right? Also, when it comes to exhaustion risk, you should only really be looking at exhaustion risk on the monthly time frame. Something that's all-time highs, something that's all-time lows. If you're calling out exhaustion risk or looking at charts exhaustion risk every 15 minutes, you are going to drive yourself crazy. The flip only happens at the bottom of the hour. The market opens up at 9:30. The next bar is 10:30. The flip is 11:30. The next flip is 12:30. The next flip is 1:30. Now time zones. So the people Pacific time, they don't know what I'm talking about at all because their charts they start at 6:30 in the morning. All right. So and then people in Europe. Y'all I got some Australian traders. They got to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning. Their market starts at like 2:30 in the morning if they want to trade U.S. stocks. All right. So of course, you need to understand your time zone, but it always happens at the bottom of the hour on the 30. All right. Okay. Let's see. So we got some buyers in here. That's good. The overall market is buying. That's good. All right. So now I want to go through my watch lists. I can go through the sectors if I want first, though. Let's just go through the sectors. Marlon B likes to trade small cappers, so we can go through small cappers real quick. Checking my time here. Red on the month, inside on the week. Not doing a whole bunch, right? I'm not going to mess with small cappers. UVXY, what's the VIX doing? Gradually moving down. That's good. That's good. But let's go. Are there buyers in utilities? Yes. All right. It's inside on the day, but look at the 60s. There's buyers there. You can look for stuff in there. Retail. What's retail doing? All right. All right. There's some people. It's 212 continuation up on the day, going back through this level of reclaim right here, and it's looking good. All right. Looking good. Here's your 60s. Looking good. All right. People buying some new stuff with their gift cards. People returning stuff and buying something else, you know. All right, retail looking good. XLK Tech, are there buyers in here? 3-2, whoa, so close. All right, still inside the week, but really close to going 3-2 up on the week. There's buyers in the month. There is buyers on the week. This thing is full time frame continuity to the upside. You can look at tech stocks. Look at tech stocks doing the same thing. XLE, all right, energies or oil. I don't know why they call energies oil, but oil energies. Why they just call it oil? But anyway, 2 down on the month, inside of green, but 2 down on the week. It's inside and red on the day. This is conflict, all right? This is in conflict. I got a red month, green week, red day, green 60, conflict. Not touching it, not looking at anything else in this sector. IBB, biotechs, inside on the, 2 down on the month, inside on the week. You do have 3 time frames that are green. So if you find a biotech stock that you like and they are buying it, go for it. All right. Healthcare, 2 down on the month, inside on the week. All right, we do have a slight reversal back up on these right here. That's starting here. I suggest just leaving this alone and waiting for next week, waiting for the 2-1-2 reversal back up on the week, right? But if you find if you go down the healthcare sector and you find a stock that looks good in here, that's green on the day, green on the week, you can take that. XLP, XLP consumer staples. 2 down on the month, hammer on, excuse me, not a hammer yet, but forming a hammer on the week. We do have some movement here on the daily. If you find a consumer staple that you like and it's moving back up on the daily in the 60s, you can take that. That's fine. I'd rather wait until this goes 2-2 reversal back up on the week. But you can do that, okay? Shaking my head with semiconductors, trading sideways, doing nothing. Inside on the week, doing nothing. All right, it is scenario 3 on the day, going back through this level of reclaim here, and then here's your 60s. All right, so they are buying semiconductors. All right, you got 34 minutes left to see where this candle goes. What happens with it? All right, does it close inside 60 and start moving back down, or does it close inside 60 and start moving up? All right, you got 34 minutes to watch this. Again, you work 12-hour shifts, all right, or you work an 8-hour shift in daggone it, you drive trucks. You don't have time. You're at the loading dock, and you got time to check your positions, look for some stuff, maybe place some orders, but you ain't got time to sit here and watch every 15-minute bar, every 5-minute bar. You don't. All right, you got to do your job, do it right. These are 60-minute bars. It takes 3 hours for a 2-1-2 reversal to set up. It takes 3 hours for a 3-1-2 continuation to set up. You got 3 hours. You can't miss that. All right. Meaning it's going to be very difficult. You're not paying attention to the charts at all if you can't. Maybe the 60 minutes. Maybe you are driving the truck and you cannot look at every 60-minute bar. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. But you're understanding. I'm just explaining to you why you're not jumping in on all this craziness. All right. Use the time frames to your advantage. RSP, which is the S&P 500 equal weighted. This looks at the entire market and gives all of the stocks, regardless of how big they are or how small they are, the same weight. All right. So we're 3-2 down on the month. We're inside on the week. And we do have some buyers here. It's 2 up on the day. So that means this is good. That means overall, this is great. All right. Even the little guys, everybody's buying SPY. That's good. All right. So that's how you go through the that's how you go through the broader averages. That's how you go through the sectors. The best time to do something like that or do that quick analysis is 15 minutes. That 15-minute, the bell rings and you're doing that 15-minute wait. That 15-minute wait. Or that 30-minute wait. If you are trading ORB with charts, that 30-minute wait, that's when you're doing that analysis. All right. You can even go to the dashboard here on TrendSpider. This is a very good tool. All right. You can look at the dailies and go, okay, I see what's going on, real quick. All right. Lots of good stuff here on the dashboard. Here's some stuff people are talking about, things that are up 2% or more. All right. Starbucks up 2%. What's it doing on the week? Inside week. Let's turn this to the edit this chart. Let's make this the daily. What we do in the day, player. All right. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. And then you can go down and do some more analysis and see if you really want to get in on that target. AVGO. All right. It looks like a Momo hammer in force. Walgreens trying to get their crap together. 2-2 reversal back up. FedEx. Finally, FedEx. Finally, I got my packages. 212 reversal up on the day. All right, you can see that quickly. Again, AVGO, Momo hammer and force. You can blow that up and look at that. Yep. All these other indicators of volume and all that stuff, that's all just default from TrendSpider. I just left it there. Unusual options, people buying, crazy calls or, or puts in something. You can, I'm not really into that, but you can look at that. Analysts and other interesting events. All right, you can look at that stuff. More information for you. I got my Strat Soldier Easy Setup Scanner right here. This is actually set for the year right now, so I'm not messing with that. But top mentioned, here it is. Top mentioned stocks by Wall Street Bets for the last 14 days. Right now, Tesla. All right, this is weekly chart. Let's drop this down to the daily just so we have something to look at, talk about. Yes, I'm doing this very slow, but in that 15 minutes or that 30-minute wait after the bell, you could be doing this analysis. We do not tell the market what we don't tell the market what it's gonna do. We let the market tell us. All right. I want to buy Tesla because Tesla's my plan, and I know daggone well Tesla's gonna be it. All right, what's it doing right now? The market says not yet. Not yet, player. Wait. Not yet. They're selling it right now, profit taking right now. Look at even your volume. You want to talk about volume confirming price? There it is. All right, we got 2 down on the day right now, and we got some selling going on. All right. SPY, we already talked about SPY. NVIDIA. All right. Not a reversal yet, but we're waiting. Everybody talking about AMD, but what's AMD actually doing inside on the day? Being crappy, all right? Being crappy. Wait. MSTR, trading sideways. Everybody keeps talking about MSTR. What's it doing? Trading sideways. ACHR, have no idea what it is, but they're buying it at $11. You can trade that. QQQ, talked about that. MU, everybody's talking about MU, but do you really want to get on that? Not me. I already talked about AVGO. Palantir, inside on the day. If you're already in on this, no reason to get out. All right. All right. Visa. All right. Inside on the day. If you got in on this right here or down here or somewhere around, no reason to get out. All right. Still good. If you're not in that yet, no, you're waiting. No actionable signals, all right? There's a lot of stuff in here, okay? All right, here's, do not let this kill you, all right? SMCI, do not let this destroy you, okay? But anyway, here's a lot. There's a lot of stuff in here that you can just go, okay, what's everybody talking about? What's everybody talking about? Instead of going down Twitter and trying to find that stuff, TrendSpider gives that to you right here. All right. Okie dokie. Okie dokie, artichoke. GameStop. Golly. GameStop is not an investment strategy. Anyway, maybe you got in here back here at 21. If you got here at GameStop on 21 and it's up 32, ignore me. Hey, I don't care, Strat Soldier. I got in at 21.48 and daggone it. This thing's at $32 right now. I don't care what you say. That's fine. All right. Anyway, that's the dashboard. That's how you use that. Now let's go back to the watch lists. All right. I'm going to start wrapping this video up. I'm going to go, now that I see what SPY's doing and they're buying, I'm going for my 2 up on the month list. We're going to do this quick. I'm going to use my finger in the down button. Apple, they're buying. Any actionable signals right here? That do have an inside 60. All right. It's not enforced yet. Make it yellow. Make it yellow, and I'm waiting on that. I can put a stop market buy order here at 259.19 because this thing is full time frame continuity to the upside. It could keep going, right? And it's just a way in. BA, Boeing. I love bagging on Boeing, but it is 2-2 reversal back up, full time frame continuity on all time frames, right? All right, green on the month, the week, the day, and the 60s. Any actual signals to get in? No, but I could drop to the 30-minute, the 15-minute, the 5 minute to find an actual signal to get in on this. Again, if I get in on the 5 minute, that does not mean my stop needs to be at that 5 minute. It does not. Why? Because look at the bigger picture. All right, I want to get to 190. I want to get to 205. I want to get back up in here at 268. All right, how far back you want to go? All right. Are you trading? Are you finally get out of this mother bar here? Are you trading to prove things to other people? Are you trading to prove things to yourself and make money to your, for yourself and your family? All right. This is not about ego. All right. This is about getting in on something that has the move. They took everybody out. Boom. Now nobody wants to participate in this. Nobody does. Get me out of Boeing. Yuck. But this thing is full time frame continuity upside, and you got in at 157. Now you see me on the weekend shift and I'm making fun of it because it's at 224, and I told you not to get in there, you dumb. And you sitting back at home with your coffee cup on Saturday going, hey, I don't care, I got in at 157. Laugh all you want, and I got stocks. All right, that's the mindset you need to have. You're gonna have. BKNG, yep, there's buyers in here. This looks great, but this is also a $5,000 stock. I'm not touching it. All right, move on. Citigroup, insight on the week, buyers on the day. I got some buyers on the 60s, awesome. Costco, $1.50 hot dogs. I got, it is red on the month. It is 2 down on the week, and forming a hammer, I'm gonna wait till next week. All right, wait for that.
The 322.
Wait for that. Hut, red on the month, forming a hammer on the week. I'm gonna wait for that 322 next week, possible. Lulu, buyers on the month, inside on the week. I'm gonna wait till next week. All right, today's Thursday. Meta, 2 up on the 2 reversal, back up on the month, inside on the week. It's red on the day. They're not buying it today. Watching my 60s, but if it does go 3-1-2 reversal back up here, I want to know about that. All right, it could be a way in, because if it gets back up, if it's the first target and the second target in the afternoon gets up to 608.10, that's going to turn this scenario 3 back on the day. Then I'm going to have full time frame continuity to the upside. All right, I want to know that this could be a way in, so I'm going to watch it. Microsoft. All right, Microsoft, I got a 3-1-2 reversal back up in force. They took the price down. It consolidated. It's going back up. This could be a way in. Now, there's one more target to take out at 469.10, but you need to know it's at the top of the broadening formation, and that's true. That's true exhaustion risk. I don't want the term true exhaustion risk to turn into a thing. But you got groups out here calling exhaustion risk on the 5 minute and 15 minute, every next 15 minute bar. They're even calling the next 15-minute bar the flip. No, there's only one flip. It's at the bottom of the hour. And when you talk about exhaustion risk, it's on the monthly, either at the highs, all-time highs, or all-time lows. All right, at the top of the broadening formation or the bottom of the broadening formation. Exhaustion risk is no more stops being taken out. Excuse me. There are no more stops being taken out because it's all jammed with buyers or it's all jammed with sellers. There's 2 ways things can be exhausted. It's either by price or by time. All right. This monthly chart is exhausting by time. All right. We only have a few days left, all right, on this. If I want to turn on the chart time on this and put the countdown clock back on, it's not gonna let me do it on the monthly. All right. Not gonna let me do it on the month, but to reiterate what I'm saying here, on the 60-minute chart, this reversal 3-1-2 up will exhaust by time in 21 minutes. All right, it will exhaust by time in 21 minutes. So there's exhaustion risk. There's the explanation for exhaustion risk. Pacey, nope. So do I want to, there's a way in on this. It's not really super strong, not moving really fast, but it could be a way in on this. All right, Pacey, 2 up on the month, but red, 2 down on the week in green. I'm just gonna wait, not touching Pacey yet. PayPal, there's a reason why I want to be in on PayPal, but it's inside week. There's some buyers here. Do I want to start a position? I could. That's fine. I need to realize I need to remember it's inside on the week, but that could be a reason to get in. That could be a way in. All right, way in. And SMCI, don't let this kill you. All right, meaning it is 2 up on the month. It did not hit target on the month. It got close, but it did not hit target, and it's forming a shooter on the month. Don't let this kill you. It's inside on the week. It's not. They're not buying this. All right, they're not buying this. Be careful. AT&T, all right, AT&T, trying to get back through this level of reclaim back here, all right, but it's red on the month, all right, inside on the week, we do have some buying here, all right, and AT&T, it used to be somebody, all right, and I used to make fun of AT&T and actually started ignoring AT&T because it wasn't doing very much. AT&T does not move fast, all right, T does not move fast. All right, but it used to be somebody. All right, see what I'm doing? It used to be somebody. You want to talk about trading broadening formations? You don't get to $45 on this thing and be able to add to your position every time with options. You don't get to do that. All right. Yes, even with leaps expire. All right. I'm talking about stocks. I'm talking about trading something longevity. All right. You're not going to get through all of this. Years of consolidation. Wow. If you cannot, I'm talking about buying stocks now, all right? Used to be somebody. So there's a reason why you want to be in. There's a reason. AT&T must be doing something better. Maybe they finally fixed their customer service, because it's been terrible. Terrible customer service, boy. And they always find someone, the person, they always find the accent. No matter what you call AT&T, you can call them right now. I had to do it on just a little video just to be funny. Because if you're in Indiana, they'll find someone from New York. If you're in New York, they'll find someone from California. If you're in California, they'll find someone from India. If you're in India, they'll find someone from Canada. They will do anything they can to find an accent that you can't understand, so you won't cancel your subscription to or cancel your service to AT&T. Boy, they try to confuse you. You from Japan? Guess what? You getting linked up with customer service from Russia. Get ready. Shoot. Tesla. All right, Tesla 2 up on the month. All right, and it is 2 down on the week, but green. All right, are they buying it today? It is 2 up on the day, but are they buying it? Not really. All right, kind of going back down, so I don't want to get in here. All right, not going to get in here. Wait. All right, look at this daily. Look at this level of reclaim right here. Wait. All right, Walmart. I gotta get to a point. I gotta start wrapping this video up. All-time highs. This is at exhaustion risk. All-time highs. Look at that. I got to redraw the broadening formation. All right, no reason to get out. Walmart keeps just going up even after the stock split. All right, people love some Walmart, but it's red on the month. I'd rather wait for this hammer next week. This possible hammer, and it hasn't closed yet. Once it closes, then it becomes an actionable signal. Hammer. Then I got a reason to get in. Okay, so we're gonna wait on that. Hold up. Wait. Anyway, we can go down to our weekly signals. All right, XRT retail inside on the week, not touching it. SPG inside on the week. All right, okay, not mess with it. Microsoft, is it in force inside on the week? I already talked about it. There's a reason why you want to get in, but it's inside week. All right. This is actionable signals from the weekend shift. Weekly watch list. This has not gone to reversal back up. That's what we're looking for. It has not done it yet. All right, has not done it yet. Hood. All right, we're actually waiting for this hammer to go and force back here, but this evidently this is old on the charts. But hey, hood, it is all good in the hood. I heard they got better charts now and things like that. They're doing things different. That's fine. That's good. That's good because hood, Robinhood's training wheels. After you get good at what you do, move on to a different platform. But anyway, it used to be somebody, all right? There's a reason why you want to be in that. Eerie. I don't know what this is, but it's some kind of, whatever this word is, company. It just has not gone in force yet. Hammer in has not gone in force yet. So there's, wait. ENPH. Remember, ENPH is that bad ex-girlfriend, bad ex-boyfriend. All right, you got to be careful. There's only 15 minutes left on this. 15 minutes left on this, but you got to be careful with ENPH because and you'll be like, oh, they gonna treat us nice this time because I know what makes them mad. And then, all right, everything's good, and then they start getting angry and freaking out again. It's okay, everything's fine. Like you're getting chopped up. All right, they're getting chopped up. He just freaked out because his favorite football team, he lost. Oh, she was tripping because I said hi to our server and when we went and got Wingstop, and maybe I was being too flirty, and she keyed some words into my car at the restaurant. Is she gonna be fine this time? It's gonna be, I'm saying I'm being funny, but know the personality of their stocks. Like, that's also an analogy. But know what the institutional buyers do with this thing. And they usually take them up, bring them right back down. Take them up, bring them right back down. EMPH, be careful. CrowdStrike, inside on the week. CrowdStrike, inside on the week. CRM, 2 up on the month. Inside on the week. I'm going to wait on this one, all right? I'm going to wait on it, but it looks good. Could I get in on this? Is this inside on the day? It is inside on the day. It is inside day. I don't want to break my rules. I'm going to wait, even though this is very tempting. All right, 212 continuation up. Excuse me, 212 reversal up. 212 reversal up. Trying to get out of this level of reclaim back here. 212 reversal up. So yes, that is enforced, but it is inside day. So I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna break my rules. Affirm. 2 up on the month, but red. Inside on the week. All right. It is 2 up on the day, and hey, look at that. It's 2 up on the day, and it's 212, 312 continuation up on the 60s. It's enforced right now. I got 13 minutes left on this. I can get in. You can actually get in on that right now. You're gonna. But you could. All right, 312 continuation up. What's the actionable signal? The inside bar. Is it enforced right now? Yes. Where would you put your recommended general stop? About right here. All right, not here, not here. That's too much risk. I don't care if you're trading stocks or options. All right, how about right here? All right. Affirm. All right. Firm used to be somebody. It's brand new. It's still brand new. All right. But it used to be somebody at 177. All right. You can't get the 177 with leaps. You can't get the 177 with a 0 DTE. There's nothing wrong with options. After your first year, if you're a second year trader, third year trader, you want to mess with options, you want to trade options as, around your winning positions, do it. Go see 8X, go see Sal, go see these other people that do that. All right. I'm going to wrap this video up. That is actionable signals on the week. All right. So that's how you would do that. All right. That's how you would do that. Out of all of these, only a couple of them are even working right now. All right. Remember that. And then you could drop down to the dailies. I don't think I have any daily signals on here. This is an example. All right. I don't even think these are. Yeah, that's working. Affirm is working. All right. One more hammer on affirm. That's how you could do that. All right. So you're taking your monthly breaking it down to the week, watching that during the week, and then taking that weekly list, breaking that down to the daily list. So you should be taking your weekly list and going, actionable signal on that. Let me put that, scroll down the days, click that on the dailies. All right, that's enforced this week. I'm going to monitor that. All right, that's how you should be talking. Now, I don't have a 60-minute thing. That's too much. That's too much. All right, so you're going to, during the day, you're going to watch your dailies. All right, your daily list, and go, okay, this is what's working. Let me monitor maybe something happens during the week. So at the flip, go to your week, see if it's anything news in force, or go to the dashboard, see if there's anything new you want to look at. All right. If you have TrendSpider's running a sale right now, go check it out. Super crazy discount on that. Hit the link. Go to that. Also, TrendSpider, me and TrendSpider are working together to get you, one of you Stratters, a free membership to TrendSpider for an entire year. Brand, like free. An advanced subscription. I mean, this is like a $2,000 sub. All right, huge. You'll get it for free. We're doing that giveaway. It starts like right now. So, and there will be the winner will be announced on December 31st. All right, December 31st, and it's going to be randomized and chosen by TrendSpider. So, hey, the rules are: find my pinned tweet. I have it pinned. Find my pinned tweet. Comment your favorite ticker, and then retweet that thing. Retweet it. All right. And then follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter or X. All right, but you're already doing that. Right? So this is how you would do that. Oh, I want to also with TrendSpider. Once you get TrendSpider, all right, you took the discount or you won that free subscription. Let me know. All right, get a hold of me. Hey, I got it. Now what? And I'll help you set up TrendSpider. I'll send you some episodes that I've done with Jason Kretzky. I'll send you some episodes I've done with Dan Ershman, and I'll also send you the Strat Soldier Easy Setup Scanner. All right, that you can customize for you. Right now, I have this one set for yearly time frame, inside bars, and that's all here. I posted that in the Mighty Soldiers Discord. That's free. But I also want to show you the Hammer Time Scanner. Hammer Time Scanner. This does what? This only does one thing. It searches for hammers on the 30-minute. All right. So I hit scan. Scanner. I hit scan. Where is it? Bam. Scan. Save. All right. And I'm doing this in between. I got 10 minutes left before the flip. All right. Before the next flip. It is current time right there. You can, is it on the chart? I'll just tell you. The current time is the current time is 12:22 Eastern Standard Time. I have 7 minutes left before this bar closes. All right, so I run my Hammer Time Scanner to see what hammers I have on the 30-minute. I go to my Hammer Time Scanner list, and let's drop this down to the 30-minute. All right, now I'm looking for hammers. Do I want to be in this one? They could be AEE. All right. Ooh, okay, there's that. All right, okay. Comcast. You heard Marlon B talk about Comcast. Do I really want to be on this one? No, skip it. Campbell's Soup. Do I want to buy Campbell's Soup? Maybe. Dale. Dude, you're getting the Dale. Hammer. All right, don't want to get in on that. All right. Remember I talked about biotechs? Remember I talked about consumer staples? It's interesting how that stuff's showing up in the scanner. All right. Hammer forming on the 30-minute on Tesla. It could be a way in on this and get us through this mother bar problem that we have on the 30-minute. Could be. All right. I don't know what UDR is, but it could be a way in. All right. So the Hammer Time Scanner. All right. Just another tool. Only on TrendSpider. All right. Hammer Time Scanner. Let's see here. Thank you so much for checking this out as a good video, a training video on how to watch your trades during the day. All right, you watch me on the weekend shift, and then a lot of you guys are like, well, you don't have a Discord. I don't know where to find you. I don't know what to do during the day. So you guys go to other Discords. That's fine, okay? Again, I'm teaching you how to be a warrior. I'm teaching you how to do this on your own so you can be self-sufficient, all right? So that's the kind of process that you're going to go through during the day so you don't have information overload, okay? Also, another thing I did not mention was Rob used to go through the charts on the 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes, he would go through, he'd call it going around the horn. And he would go through his watch lists on the week, or on the month, or the week. Anything new happening, look at that daily chart. You can go to the dashboard, go through the dashboard real quick. If there's maybe something, maybe there was news on Campbell, maybe there's news on INTC. They finally figured out the semiconductors. We figured it out. There's news, and the government contracts are finally going in force. And Inside Bandit is out there. And Vincent's like, hey, I told you, Strat Soldier, I'm in at $21. Here's my options, and I'm gonna be like, hey, you're right, and you'll be on it too, because you used your tools. All right, you went around the horn, went around the stocks, went to look at the broader averages, see if there's anything new that interests you, and you added it to your watch list. And then when it went in force, it showed it in price. Now you're on it. All right. Same thing with the market news with Cardave. All right, with Powerman Assets. I run the news on the weekend shift. If you're going through the news, you get Benzinga free in TrendSpider. If you're going through the news and you're all right, okay, cool, I got some news on this one, and you're looking at the stock, doing nothing. Looking at the stock, doing nothing. All right, but I got it on my watch list. I'm waiting. Bam, it's in force. I know what to do. All right, now you're trading. Now you're trading for real. All right, and if this is your first year trading, just stick with the stocks. All right. After you go year 2, if 2025 is year 2, then you can start messing with options, all right? If 2025, I think I said it right. If 2025 is year 2 for you, now you can start messing with options, all right? But you already have that knowledge, that base of, and that skill level of creating winning positions, add to them, and defending them with tight stops with stocks. You can always go back to home base when things get a little weird over here, all right? You can go look at crypto. You can look at futures, micro futures. I trade micro futures. All right, and I do trade options, but I trade them sparingly. I don't do it all the time. So this is a little bit longer than I wanted to, but I think this is a very valuable video that you can use. This is a training video that you can use to navigate the market during the day. All right, this is a Strat Soldier. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for all your support. Hit that tip jar if you like, and then go see me at thestratsoldier.com. All right, go hit me at thestratsoldier.com. I'll be running a special on unlocking brand new formations soon. Again, TrendSpider is giving I in TrendSpider, right? There's a TrendSpider sale. I'm hit, for 61%, I think it is. Hit that. If you did not get my special link that I had 75% off during Thanksgiving, you got another chance, all right? But I'm giving away it doesn't have to be a brand new trade. I'm sorry. I am giving away a free subscription to TrendSpider the advanced subscription, the top of the top. It's a $2,000 subscription, all right, for a year, but you're going to get it for free, and I'm giving that away to any trader, Strata or not, that just comments on my tweet, my pinned tweet. Go find it, my pinned tweet, comments your favorite stock for next year, and then retweets that thing. TrendSpider is going to take those names in that, randomize it, and then they are going to determine who the winner is, all right? And we'll announce it on the weekend shift. This is the Strat Soldier. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for training with me. Training. Yes, the market's open, and you saw that I was looking at live charts, all right? Training, all right? Remember that great episode from Michael Noss. A boxer does not trade. A boxer does not fight every day. A boxer does not fight every weekend. All right? He doesn't. Go watch videos of Muhammad Ali. Go watch videos of Mike Tyson. All right, they train for weeks. Go watch the movie Rocky, for goodness sakes. They train for weeks before they go do before they actually get in the ring. All right. This is the Strat Soldier for this training video. Thank you so much for being here. This was an awesome lesson. I hope you can use it, and I hope it helps you. Thank you so much. This is the Strat Soldier. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.